Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a project that's near and dear to my heart, giving those forgotten treasures from the 1970s a brand new lease on life. We're talking about taking those once loved pieces and giving them a modern farmhouse twist that'll make them right at home in your stylish spaces. Let's get started, y'all. Alright, before we jump into transforming these 70s treasures, we've got to find them first. The thrill of the hunt is half the fun. Think solid wood furniture with good bones, maybe a dresser with a little too much varnish or a coffee table that's seen better days. Lighting is another area where the 70s really shines. You know those funky lamps with the big bold shades? Those are gold, my friends. And don't even get me started on the wall art and frames. Those retro landscapes and abstract prints might not be everyone's cup of tea, but the frames themselves can be absolute treasures. A little sanding, a fresh coat of paint or stain, and you've got yourself a custom piece that's ready to showcase your own personal style. The key here is to look beyond the surface and see the potential in these pieces. Don't get hung up on outdated colors or patterns. We can easily change those. Instead, focus on finding well-made pieces with character and charm. So get out there and start hunting for those hidden gems. You never know what treasures you might uncover. Alright y'all, let's get down to business. We've found ourselves a diamond in the rough that vintage 70s dresser with so much potential. And now it's time to give it a makeover worthy of a magazine spread. The first step, as with any good makeover, is to prep our canvas. In this case, that means giving our furniture a good cleaning. Once our piece is clean and dry, it's time to address any imperfections. Now, I'm all about embracing the character of these vintage pieces, but if there are any deep scratches or gouges, a little wood filler can work wonders. Next up, let's talk paint. One of the easiest ways to transform a piece of furniture from drab to fab is with a fresh coat of paint. And when it comes to choosing a color palette, I always gravitate towards light and airy hues for that classic modern farmhouse feel. Before we go wild with our paintbrushes though, we need to prime. Primer helps to create a smooth, even surface for the paint to adhere to, ensuring a flawless finish. Once the primer is dry, it's time to let our inner artists shine. I always recommend using a high-quality paintbrush and applying thin, even coats of paint. Now for the finishing touch hardware, swapping out those dated knobs and pulls can make a world of difference. For a modern farmhouse look, I love using sleek, minimalist hardware in brushed nickel, matte black, or even antique brass. And there you have it. With a little love, a little paint, and a whole lot of heart, we've transformed this 70s relic into a modern masterpiece. Now let's talk lighting. You know those amazing vintage lamps you often find tucked away in antique stores? They're like little pieces of history just waiting to be brought back to life. First things first, safety first. Before we start tinkering with any electrical components, we need to make sure our lamp is unplugged. Once we've got safety covered, we can start by carefully disassembling the lamp. Now take a good look at the lamp base. Is it a funky ceramic number? A sleek brass design? Whatever it is, we want to make sure it's clean and free of any dust or grime. Once our lamp base is sparkling clean, we can start thinking about paint. Now you can absolutely give the entire base a fresh coat of paint, but sometimes I like to preserve some of that vintage charm by just adding a few pops of color. Next up, the shade. This is where we can really have some fun and let our creativity shine. If you're going for a classic modern farmhouse vibe, a simple drum shade in a natural linen or cotton fabric is always a good choice. Now for the finishing touch, the bulb. I always recommend using LED bulbs, not only because they're energy efficient, but because they also come in a variety of color temperatures. And there you have it, a beautifully updated lamp that's ready to light up your life. Let's be honest, we've all come across those vintage paintings or prints at thrift stores and thought, what in the world was someone thinking? But hold on a second before you pass them by. While the artwork itself might not be your style, those old frames can be absolute gems. First things first, let's assess what we're working with. Take a close look at the frame. Is it solid wood, metal, plastic? Each material has its own unique charm and possibilities. Once you've got a good understanding of your frame's potential, it's time to give it a little TLC. Start by carefully removing the old artwork or glass. Now for the fun part, transformation time. If you're working with a wooden frame, a little sanding can go a long way in smoothing out any rough edges or imperfections. Once you've got a nice smooth surface, you can either stain the frame to enhance its natural beauty, or painted a bold modern color. Metal frames can also be given a new lease on life with a little paint. Now, let's talk about what to put in those gorgeous, revitalized frames. You can use them to display family photos, create a gallery wall of botanical prints, or even frame pieces of fabric or wallpaper. Speaking of mirrors, don't forget about those. You know those round sunburst mirrors that were all the rage in the 70s? They can easily be given a modern makeover with a little paint and creativity. So, the next time you're out thrifting or antiquing, keep your eyes peeled for those hidden frame treasures. All right, folks, we're in the home stretch. We've tackled the big pieces, the furniture, the lighting, the wall decor, but it's those finishing touches, those little accents that really bring a space to life. Let's start with something simple: vases. Now, I know what you're thinking. Those brown and orange ceramic vases your grandma used to have? Hear me out. With a little paint and some fresh greenery, they can add a touch of rustic charm to any room. Speaking of greenery, one of the easiest ways to breathe life into a space is with plants. And you know what pairs perfectly with those upcycled vases? Pampas grass. It's all the rage right now, and for good reason. Another great way to incorporate those 70s vibes into your modern farmhouse decor is with macrame. You remember those macrame wall hangings that were everywhere back in the day? Well, they're back, and they're more stylish than ever. Remember, the key to successfully incorporating vintage pieces into your modern farmhouse decor is all about balance. And there you have it. Who knew that those often overlooked relics from the 1970s could be transformed into such stylish and unique decor? Remember, it's all about looking beyond the surface and seeing the potential in these pieces. With a little imagination, a dash of creativity, and a whole lot of elbow grease, you can turn those forgotten treasures into one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your personal style. And the best part is, you don't have to break the bank to do it, so go on, get out there and start creating. I can't wait to see what amazing transformations you come up with. Happy upcycling, everyone!